As the wait continues for Jamaican sprinter Nesta Carter to hear the start date for his appeal before the Court of Arbitration for Sport (CAS, one gets the feeling the longer it takes, the better the sprinter's chances are to be cleared. A few days ago marked 7 weeks since the 2013 World 100 meters bronze medalist lodged his appeal to CAS after testing positive for the banned stimulant methylhexanamine in retroactive analysis by the IOC last summer. Carter, who started Jamaica's winning sprint relay team at the 2008 Beijing Olympics, is seeking to clear his name after losing that gold medal as a result. As sports commentary understands it, the main issue affecting the delay for the date concerns the lab report from the Beijing Games 8 years ago. Incidentally, it is the same piece of evidence which was not presented during Carter's initial hearing before an IOC panel, despite a then request by the Jamaican's legal team. Having been found guilty by an IOC panel on January 25, 31-year-old Carter, who also won the World Indoor 60-meter silver medal in 2012, had his lawyers filed the appeal with CAS on the deadline of February 15. The fact that former Jamaican Prime Minister and noted legal mind P.J. Patterson added his voice in support of Carter's appeal in February, pointing to legal arguments that could be made at CAS, makes sports commentary hopeful that the sprinter can beat this case. If he does, it would mean himself and teammates Usain Bolt, Asafa Powell, Michael Frater and Dwight Thomas would regain their medal and restore some of Jamaica's goodwill in a sport which is often dogged by allegations of doping. I'm Keon Reyna. Good evening.